is QHTML element? QHTML element is an element that we usually use for short quotations inside of our web page. So basically, with QHTML element, we'll create text that by default will be surrounded with start and end quotation marks. What is blockquote HTML element? Blockquote HTML element is an element that we usually use for some larger quotations for which we want to add source of our quotation. So basically, with the blockquote, we can create that quotation, and with the site HTML attribute, we can set what is address from where we actually took this quotation. Important thing that you should know about site address is that that address is not visible inside of our web page. But that information is useful for some searching engines like Google or Yahoo that can make suggestions to our website users to also visit the website that we have in our site HTML attribute. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.